WEN Electric Log Splitter 56208 Review. Real power and gas-free results proof. What if splitting a full cord of firewood no longer meant a sore back, a cranky gas engine, and an afternoon of frustration? The WEN Electric Log Splitter 56208 is a compact 6.5-ton electric firewood splitter built for homeowners who want real splitting power without the noise, fumes, or fuel juggling that comes with gas-powered machines. Plug it in, position your log, and let over 13,000 pounds of hydraulic force do the heavy lifting. It handles logs up to 10 inches in diameter and 20.5 inches long, runs quietly enough for residential yards, and comes with a removable stand that puts the working surface at a comfortable 34 inches. Firewood season starts to feel manageable. Imagine never dreading that stack of unsplit oak rounds again. The biggest wins here are practical, immediate, and genuinely stackable. First, no gasoline means no cold starts, no carburetor headaches, and no exhaust fumes drifting into your face mid-session. You just plug in and go. Second, the 6.5-ton splitting force handles most common residential wood species, including ash, cherry, hickory, and even stubborn oak without hesitation. Third, the included stand raises the working height to a waist-friendly 34 inches, which reduces constant bending and saves your lower back across a long session. Here is where it gets interesting. Fourth, the 5.5-inch never-flat wheels and pull handle let you roll this unit from storage to workspace and back without breaking a sweat. Fifth, maintenance drops to almost nothing compared with gas alternatives. No oil changes, no spark plugs, no seasonal tune-ups. Which of those benefits matters most to you right now? All five compound over time into a genuinely smoother firewood routine. Picture this. You used to spend the first 20 minutes of every splitting session just trying to get the gas splitter started. Prime, choke, pull, repeat. By the time it finally fired up, you were already tired. With the WEN Electric Log Splitter 56208, that entire ritual disappears. One reviewer who switched after years of gas ownership described the moment the wedge drove cleanly through a green 22-inch oak round as almost surreal. No hesitation, no stalling, just steady hydraulic pressure doing exactly what it promised. I had quiet doubts that a 15-amp electric motor could really compete. It genuinely held its own on oak, cherry, and hickory in real back-to-back splitting sessions. The 20-second cycle time keeps workflow moving at a comfortable rhythm. The transformation isn't dramatic, it's just noticeably calmer, cleaner, and easier every single time you use it. After testing a few options, one thing became clear. Don't just pick any electric log splitter. Make sure it has at least 6.5 tons of hydraulic splitting force so you never waste your time on a motor that stalls mid-split on denser hardwoods again. The WEN Electric Log Splitter 56208 consistently earns a 4.6 out of 5 rating across nearly 3,000 user reviews, which is a reliable signal in a category where real-world performance varies widely. One verified buyer processed 2 full cords of fresh white oak and called it awesome for the money. An expert review from Axe and Answered rated it highly for power and mobility in the residential splitter category. A seasoned wood splitter called it the best sidekick he could ask for, praising its reliability and clean electric operation. Some users note the stand assembly instructions could be clearer, which is a fair point and easy to manage with a quick read-through before starting. Which result matters most to you? Comment 1 for power, 2 for portability, or 3 for low maintenance. The WEN Electric Log Splitter 56208 turns a dreaded seasonal chore into something genuinely manageable. Thousands of homeowners already run it season after season with minimal upkeep and consistent results. It only takes a few seconds to see if it fits your setup. I've dropped the link in the description and pinned it at the top of the comments. Click through, check the details, and see what cleaner firewood season actually looks like. You deserve this.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.